with wings that carries people or goods through the sky. Jet.
Airliner.
A big passenger plane that zooms fast across countries and oceans. Cargo plane.
Cargo plane.
A large plane built to carry heavy boxes, mail or supplies. Fighter jet. Fighter jet A. Speedy military plane used to protect and defend the skies.
Bomber plane.
A military plane designed to drop supplies or bombs during missions. Glider. Glider. A plane with no engine that soars quietly on the wind.
Biplane.
Biplane. A vintage plane with two sets of wings, famous in old-time air shows.
Seaplane.
A plane with floats that can land on water like a boat. Helicopter.
Helicopter.
A rotorblade aircraft that can hover, take off, and land vertically.
Attack helicopter.
Attack helicopter. A military helicopter used to protect troops and complete missions.
Rescue helicopter.
Rescue helicopter. A helicopter that saves people from accidents or disasters.
Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon. A big colorful balloon that rises into the sky using hot air.
Hang glider.
Hang glider.
A lightweight frame you hold to glide gently through the air.
Paraglider. Paraglider. A parachute-like glider that floats on the wind for amazing views.
Drone. A small remote-controlled aircraft that can take photos or explore.
Space Shuttle.
Space
Shuttle. A spacecraft that carried astronauts and cargo to space. Allah.
Rocket. A powerful vehicle that blasts off into space using burning fuel. Blimp. A soft airship filled with gas.
Often used for ads or overhead filming. Zeppelin.
Zeppelin.
A large rigid airship from the past, famous for sky travel.
Ultralight aircraft.
Ultralight aircraft. A tiny plane designed for one or two people to enjoy gentle flights.